primary school, and I hope everybody, where you are, leave a good friend, and move on.
Now, we are only 2 weeks away from the FIFA 2026 FIFA World Cup, and Naivas Supermarkets officially unveiled its Game Eco On campaign, consumer engagement in partnership with the Hisense, Coca-Cola and Unilever, as well as DSTV brands that include official FIFA World Cup sponsors ahead of the highly anticipated 2026 FIFA World Cup.
This whole campaign is actually, we call it Naivas Game Eco On, but it's actually part of a broader platform, a campaign called Kikapu Kibonge that we launched back in April. And the whole idea of that campaign is basically to offer a huge basket of offers to our customers. And now that we are getting into the football season, where our customers across Kenya will enjoy a lot of football, we want to be part of that journey in being the conduit for these great offers across the country. We want to offer all the great deals and offers that they have during this football season to our customers.
Back every day to see how best to get our consumers and our shoppers uplifting engagement in store. So through our brands, then we shall be bringing the football experience in store. As you know, football is very important in our world. Brings people together, families together, and at the same time we sell brands that also uplift our consumers. And as they continue being active, at the same time, they are able to as well be up.
And as DSTV, we are the home of entertainment and the home of football. We are known for football, and we actually pride ourselves to be the home of entertainment as football. For this FIFA World Cup, we are very much prepared because we will be broadcasting all the 104 matches live on HD. Currently, we have an offer going for all our packages, where we have been able to tear down all the football to all our packages, including our lowest package, meaning that even if you sit on the lowest package to the premium most package, you will be able to enjoy this football.
Now, the most anticipated final will be taking place today, the UEFA Champions League. PSG will be taking on Arsenal in the Champions League final in Budapest in Hungary.